Hi everyone, Carson here from Proline Range Hoods. Today we're going to be going over how to use a easy mount hanging bracket for our Proline Range Hoods and why these are so nice to use. Some of the cool features we'll be going over today, how to hang it, how to use it, what models it goes with, and so we will jump right into it. The Easy Mount bracket is designed to make a two-man job a one-man job for most models, which is really cool for all you DIYers working a one-man crew to be able to get a hood up, install it, mount it by yourself. This is the tool for you. Another cool feature about the Easy Hang mount bracket gives you a variety of positions on your wall that you can anchor this to, whether you're going into studs or whether you're going into concrete. This is a great tool to have. It gives you a diverse ability here to get your hood in the right spot. And ultimately, this is the safest, most durable mounting bracket that there is out there. It's gonna hold, we have mounting brackets that will hold up to 250-pound range hoods. So this is a very durable, safe, and sure way to mount your range hood. So let's jump into it. Today we have our PLJW 10236 that we're gonna be mounting. I will highlight some of the items that we're gonna be using today. A Sharpie, tape measure, some construction screws. I have 2 inchers, a star bit here for my construction screws. I'll show you how to mount this to the back of the hood. And then this is the bracket that's gonna go on the wall. So we'll jump into it. This is the back of the range hood. Should look very similar on your end. I'm going to go ahead and just mount my bracket here. You'll see where these screws position here. There's gonna be 4 on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this. So just a bit of advice here. These are just machine screws. Get them tight enough where you can feel that cinch in there. Okay, here you have it. The bracket is mounted to the back of the hood. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to mount this to the wall, and we will also go ahead and find our center point on our hood, find the center point on the bracket so that we can adjust things when it gets up so it's all level. So my hood is 35 3/4 inches wide here, so I'm going to mark my center point at 17 7/8. Total width on my bracket is 26.5. That means I'm gonna need to be at 13 1/4. Okay, I found my mounting height here. If you have questions about where you wanna mount your hood, you can reach out to our team. Typically we say 36 inches above your cooktop. If your typical countertop height or your cooktop is at 36 inches, your mounting height's gonna wanna be right at that 72 inch mark or 6 feet. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and just mount this bracket to the wall now. We're gonna center our bracket here. I'll go ahead and throw a screw here just to get it. Okay, so another point that I just wanted to re-emphasize was anchoring into either a concrete wall or anchoring into studs. That will ensure that this hood is mounted securely and safely. Please do not mount directly into drywall. Okay, I've also gone ahead and leveled this out. So on my top of my bracket, I'm center there, which is good. So it's not gonna be hanging off to one side. We're good there. I'm gonna throw a couple more screws in here and make sure it's all stable. Super easy to mount to this wall. 5 screws, took all of about 60 seconds. Now it's basically ready. I'll go ahead and just throw this hood up. And then drop yours in, Zach. There you go. Cool. There you are. Okay, now that we're mounted, I just went again and just checked my spacing up here on the top. Just made sure that I was center with my bracket from my original mark on the hood. We are. I also went ahead and just tested my level. We are dead center there. So the hood is mounted level. That's it. You do have a little bit of play up here on the bracket, so you can kind of move it around if you wanted to get it closer to a cabinet or further away from another side. So you do have some play there, which is great. Other than that, that's it. Alrighty, run, here you have it. It really was that easy to mount. Again, we've designed and innovated this easy mount bracket for you. We've listened to you from the durability, the reliability, the safety, and the ease of hanging. All super nice. So if you have any questions, reach out to our customer support team, and thanks for watching.